Vlogging is dying. The only people that are topping the charts today as lifestyle vloggers are those that are telling stories. If you're not famous, celebrity, you know, get fan base, you're not a content creator that have gathered people, you just want to start vlogging, you need to start telling stories. Except you have money to show off luxury or aesthetics. But if your life is boring like my own, you don't get money, you are just trying to hustle on YouTube and get this YouTube money, you need to start telling stories in all your vlogs. Embrace storytelling, hold it like never before. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to effortlessly tell stories on your vlogs in a way that it will make your audience to watch you, whether they like it or not. Storytelling are the jazz, where they use hold them. Let me teach you what to do. If you check TikTok today, Instagram, check everywhere. Like people are telling stories. They're not just posting random clicks anymore. They are telling stories in their videos. And that's why they are getting the engagement. That's why they are there. So if you're doing vlog, you that your own is long video and you're not even famous, you need to tell stories. First thing you should know is that every vlog must tell a story. It shouldn't just be a random video. The biggest mistake that vloggers make is just pressing record and just showing random clips. I'm in the market, I'm in the spa, I'm doing this, I'm doing that. I don't care about you. Like, you're not that person. You're not there yet. Even celebrities, even actors and actresses, everybody's doing vlogging. So why should people leave them and come and watch you? Why? You're not that person yet. So there should be something unique about your vlog that will keep them glued. It could be about how you express yourself. It can be how you laugh and all of that. I'm going to be showing you how to use those things as an advantage. There's something we call the vlogger's story arc, VSA. This VSA contains three things. Number one, we have setup. Number two, we have conflict. And number three, we have resolution. Hold on. Stay with me. For the setup, we are talking about where am I going to? What is today about? What is the mission in this video? What are we doing? That is what you're asking yourself. For the resolution, you're asking yourself, what is wrong? What is the challenge? What is the problem that I will create in this vlog? You will create problem by yourself so that you will now show people the solution. Listen, it's not that serious. So the way I'm saying, I'm just trying to give you, like the analysis of how you can put them together. These three things will help you. For example, instead of saying, guys, come with me to Ghana, I want to go and enjoy myself. Nobody send you. Hi guys, come with me to Ghana. I want to go and enjoy myself. Instead of saying that, say I'm going to Ghana with just $100. Will I survive Accra for 3 days? Now you have created a hook. You have created stakes, a reason for people to watch you. You have opportunity to now have a wider audience. Number one, people that are in Nigeria that are planning to go to Ghana, they will be thinking, okay, what will $100 be able to do? They are your potential audience. People that are in other countries, they want to just have the knowledge of what $100 in Ghana is about, even if they are not going. They are also your potential audience. Then people that are in Ghana that are actually spending money, they want to know this person that came to our country. What did he do with $100? That is another audience. Like you have opportunity. A lot of people, even people I can't mention now, but you know that you have potential. You've created a problem in the vlog and you're solving it. At that same way, you're showing yourself in the vlog, you're telling the story. Number two, the power of relatable hook. In the first 10 to 15 seconds of your video, please ditch the long intros. Hi guys, welcome. I think I've said this over and over and over again on this channel. Like, wow, past that generation. We're no longer there. Hi guys, what? What? What am I here for? We don't do that anymore. These days, people's fingers are faster than their patience. The moment they just hear hi guys, swam, they are going. Now, the rule for a powerful hook is say something that will trigger people's curiosity, people's emotion within the first 15 seconds. Now, for example, instead of saying a day in my life as today I'll be showing you a day in your life as a day in your life what? We've passed that. Instead of saying that, you can say, today I woke up with my toddler pouring milk into my laptop, or a crazy thing that happened in your office, or a crazy thing that happened on your way to work, or something that happened within your area. It could be there's fire burnt somewhere. It could be something, just something to trigger people's emotion. That way you have shared, it could be something that happened in your church last week. It could be something, it could be a testimony that someone shared in your church last week. It could be an experience you had years back, but you just want to tell the story in this vlog. That way you have created, a tone for a chaotic vlog, and it is worth watching. Even if it did not happen, there's something we call fictitious and non-fictitious stories. Take advantage of these things and make your story relatable. Put in yourself in it and tell the story. The next one is emotional anchoring. Get your audience to feel something. Tap into people's emotion. Nigerians, they are emotional. You can leverage on that. It could be joy, something beautiful happened for you. It could be stress. I'm tired. I want to give up. It could be nostalgia, it could be embarrassment. When I was young, I was stained in my class. That thing wanted to happen to me today. Everybody wants to listen. It could be love. People like love. Oh my god. You've watched Priscilla and Juma Jukes, you see how Nigerians are so happy. Everybody, Achalugo and Odogu, Omoni Oboli's TV. People just like that love, Odogu is spending all this kind. It could be love. Tell one love story. Tell one thing that happened in your area. Tell story about one person that is in love that you know. It could even be fear. Jesus, this kind of thing happened. Our whole street would have burnt down today. Jesus, this woman, her child would have fell off from the car today. You can tell any story in your vlogs. If you cannot be saying those things as you're vlogging, leverage voiceover. Okay, today I'm going to work. This video, I want to tell you guys a story about what happened, blah, blah, blah. Just why you show off your vlogs. You show off yourself. In the editing aspect, you show off, you zoom into facial expressions, do slow motion for the epic moments, the place that people want to see very well. Wow. Leverage the power of music. Don't neglect new music in your vlog. And don't just pick any random music. Pick a music that will suit the vlog, something emotional. Example, if you're a mom vlogger, you can say something like, maybe you went for school shopping for your children, back to school shopping, and you're saying, oh my god, I can't recognize my child anymore. When did this baby grow so big? You're all emotional and all of that. Leverage on these things. Every great story has a character. Unfortunately, lifestyle vlogs is not Nollywood, but you can make it Nollywood though. Mm-hmm. You can. Just tell a great story. If you have amazing people in your life, people that have great personality, there are people that just are there and they can spice things up. I know one catering on IG that always use her PA for voiceover. Like, people are genuinely invested in watching the videos because the PA is such a hilarious guy. Like, it makes the videos so much fun. Sometimes she leverage it, and you know, you can see now I could remember it because I know that yes, when I watched this video, it was so hilarious. It could be your funny auntie, it could be your screaming toddler, it could be your dramatic neighbor, or even that Uber driver that is always chatting and talking and talking. You can leverage on that person and use it for your vlog. Today I took Uber driver and this guy no green me rest. He was saying this, he was saying that. Use it and tell your story. Some of you just enter, you just put music in the background and just video your driver and just video. What is you and the driver saying? We wanna know. Like, you don't have to show his face, but just tell us, like, let carry us along really. At the end of the day, people are invested in knowing what is going on in the video. That is more views for you. That is you showing off their characters, and that is a win-win for both parties. Number 5 is dialogue. This one is very, very important. I just learned this one recently. It is not Nollywood though, but it is very close. Dialogue. Show people the real conversation. Don't just summarize. Like, tell us how it happened. Tell us their exact word. YouTube audience, they like to hear the real conversation. It brings the person that is watching it to the scene. The person will feel like they are there with you when it happened. Even if you cannot record these things in your vlog, you can always tell them the story as voiceover, or you can even just put on your phone and record the audio in the background. This is what I mean by dialogue. Instead of saying, today I told my son to come down from the fridge and he refused, you've summarized it for us. But you can say something like, today I woke up really tired. I walked into the kitchen and I saw my son jumping up on the fridge. And I said, Junior, come down from the fridge. And in his exact words, he said, no, mom, you're not the one that bought it. This boy just said to me. You know that kind of thing. It looks like I am in your kitchen with you when it happened. These are some of the things you can incorporate in your vlogs. Number six, use conflicts. People don't want peace anymore. They don't stay for peace. They want trouble. They are there for controversy. Even me on my second YouTube channel where I do blogging, sometimes I tell a perfect sweet stories and happily ever after, and nobody's watching. But when I spark controversy, when I now see this one problem, when I now put one striking thing, everybody wants to hear the bad news. I'm only saying you should try to spark suspense, tension, a goal, something is at risk. Instead of saying I hosted a perfect birthday party, you can come up with on my birthday, my cake did not arrive. My heart was panting. I was wondering what will I do? Even if the cake arrived, tell us that before it arrived, you were almost you were so worried. What am I going to tell my guests? What is a birthday without a cake? Spark that problem from the beginning. When you now show us your birthday, how it happened, and now how you now solved the problem. Guys, be creative, think. I'm giving you guys a lot of example here. Oh. I'm just bringing it at your feet. You must excel or you must prosper in this YouTube thing. If you are choosing vlogging or even sit down videos, you must excel. The next thing, try to get b-rolls. When I talk about b-rolls, I talk about, this kind of clips that I always attach to my videos. If you can't record your own personal life, you can get things like this to add to your vlogs when you tell your story. That's why I always say, always record random things that are happening because you don't know when you use them in your vlog, especially if you're creative. Your phone should be actively ready to record any scene. I'm not saying bring your phone in the public and don't be, but maybe something is happening in the office. I don't know if you check someone like Tomike Adioye. I'm sorry, I always mention her in my video because I watch her a lot. Like on her Instagram, there's always a video that shows something. I don't even know how to use to get space to always keep all these videos. So they always have evidence as to whatever story they are telling you. They're not just saying it, they have evidence. Always record random things. You don't know when you tell the story. Try to leverage voiceover. It's not every day you show yourself. Use voiceover for some of your videos. Learn voiceover. If you want to learn how to do voiceover, let me know in the comment section in case you don't know how to do it. Let me make a video showing you how to do voiceover. All this fast voiceover, all this, it could be slow one, it could be fast voiceover that you see people do. Let me know in the comment section. I'll do that for you people. Try to share your thoughts on some topics. You don't know what to say. All these things that are trending, you can take one of them and talk about it on your vlog. Share your own opinion. It can be funny, it can be deep, it can be sarcastic. Just pick any of these things and just make use of it. Tell us what you've learned from experience, a conference you attended, something you watched somewhere and it strike you. Share them, share those things you've learned. Stop hoarding knowledge. Use your knowledge on your vlogs. Somebody will watch your video and say, "Oh, I learned this from this person. I learned this from, I heard this story from this person's vlog." Finally, before you go, before you end your video, don't just end like that. And then we are seeing you in 1 month or 2 months time, just like me, that I'm not consistent. Don't be like me, oh. I'm a mommy, a new mommy for that matter. So my baby, I just kept my baby. She's asleep, and I say, let me quickly rush and do this video. Don't be like me. Try and be consistent. Life is life in, but if you mean this YouTube business, try and be consistent. And before you leave, don't just shut the door on your subscribers and run off like that. Give them something to hold on to. Tell them, oh, this is the next video. So you too, you know that your subscribers are waiting for you to bring that video, and you bring it to by fire by force. You must make it on this platform. I think I've poured a lot. You guys, say thank you to me in the comment section if you watch this video to the end. Thank you for watching. Come on, I'll see you in my next video. Like I'm not living by my example, living the example that I just gave. Okay, so see you guys in my next video. Okay, I think I can do that voiceover stuff for you people, depending on the comment that I get. Bye guys. Go and prosper.